everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Lee Binkley, and in this video we're going to be covering the Find and Replace feature in Microsoft Word. Now this is a feature that can sometimes be overlooked, but is extremely helpful when reviewing and checking your work for large documents that have several pages and several sections of content. For this example, we have a document here that just has some simple placeholder text, which could be helpful if you're working on your formatting or styling for your document. And if you ever want to apply random text or placeholder text within your document, you'll just come to the section you want to enter the text in and place the equal sign, RAND for random, open parentheses, close parentheses, and place enter. So we'll go ahead and just place some placeholder text within there, again, as you're working on formatting and coming up with styles for your document. For the Find and Replace feature in Microsoft Word, you can get there one of two ways. The first of which being navigating to the Home tab here in our ribbon. And then once you're there, navigating to the right side of the screen, and under the Editing column, we see the options for Find and Replace. So if you just go ahead and select the Find button, it will then display the navigation pane here on the left-hand side of the screen. The second option, of course, we know that keyboard shortcuts are our friend. So by holding down the Control key and the F key, Control plus F will then pop up the navigation pane as we saw for the Find tool here. With the Find navigation now displayed, we can search for any text, comments, pictures, specific phrases within our document. Word can find just about anything within this document. So for this example, let's go ahead and search for the word powerful. So we'll come to the search bar within the navigation column and type in the word powerful for our example. It will then generate results for any instance of the word or phrase or piece of content that you're looking for within your document. And then underneath the results, you can click on each of these occurrences, and it will find it within the document and will take you to the specific section from where it exists. If you navigate to the Pages section, you can then work on each individual page and navigate each individual page within your document. So say you could have 30, 50, 100 pages even, and this will make it easier to navigate through each individual page. Under the headings, it will display anything that is styled as a heading within your document, so it'll make it easier to navigate through those different sections. Once we have our results and say, we have our word here, but maybe we don't want to use powerful. Maybe we want to use a different word in place of powerful. What we can then do is come to the Replace tool here in the Editing column, and we have found the word powerful, and then we can determine if we want to replace it with something. So instead of powerful, let's say we want to use the word compelling, because it is fairly similar, and it could be, you can use this in different examples. Say there's a name within a document, you need to change it to another name. The possibilities are endless with this feature. And then we'll go ahead and click Replace. You can replace individual words, or if you want to replace all the instances of the words you're looking for, you can go ahead and click Replace All, so we'll go ahead and do that. It has made 3 replacements. You want to continue searching from the beginning, you can go ahead and click Yes if you'd like. All done, made the 3 replacements, and as we can see within our document, there is no more instances of the word powerful. They have been replaced with compelling. So again, this is just a simple feature that can help make editing and reviewing your document a whole lot easier, especially if you have several pages and sections of content. That will conclude today's tutorial. Although this is a fairly simple feature, it will make life a lot easier as you're reviewing your work and checking large documents. So if you did find this helpful, please like the video and show your support. If you have any topics or ideas for videos you'd like to see in the future, be sure to comment below. Also, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. We upload educational videos and tutorials like this every Friday. Lastly, I encourage you to visit www.tcworkshop.com and extend your training, extend your knowledge for different topics with one of our upcoming classes and courses. And with that, I hope to see everyone in the next video.